So is day trading in the stock market right for you? What's going on, team? It's Ricky, and in this video, I'm simply going to inform you about what Learn Plan Profit has to offer. And because you're going to be a little bit more informed, you can then make a little bit more of an informed decision to see if our Learn Plan Profit community and everything that it offers is a good fit for you. I hope that this video gets you one step closer to your overall goal. And one of the things that you need to understand is I'm not here to convince you that day trading in the stock market trumps everything else. At least speaking from my experience, and this is something that I want to make sure that you at least understand, is when I got started in the stock market, yes, it sparked my interest, but I grew a huge passion for it, not because someone tried to convince me that it was the right fit for me, but because I actually showed interest. I was actually involved, and what it had to offer is something that I was always curious about. And with that being said, I'm not here to say that the stock market is better than the crypto market. The stock market is not better than the Forex market. At the end of the day, I truly want you to pursue whatever market you personally see the most value in. And this is why. Because when things go and get tough, I want you to have the intrinsic motivation to be able to overcome those obstacles. Because whichever market you choose to be a part of, Forex, crypto, stock market, starting your own business, e-commerce, there is no market out there in the creative markets. And of course, some markets do come easier than others, but at the end of the day, they each present their own challenges, and it is your job to solve those problems every single day. And speaking from complete experience, I think that's one of the things that really drew me into the stock market. Every single day is a new challenge, especially as a day trader. And one of the beautiful things that we do here with Learn Plan Profit is we first walk through our beginner traders through our beginner-friendly A to Z course. So what does that mean? In comparison to, yes, you can watch numerous videos. Like everyone says, you can literally find everything online. But how can you find something that you don't know you're looking for? The missing pieces of the puzzle, the mistakes you're bound to make when you're unaware. That's the whole point of the Learn Plan Profit course, is we wanted to provide an A to Z for a complete beginner, how to get started from start to finish. From the very basics to the technicals to the indicators to knowing when to buy, knowing when to sell, and knowing when to cut losses. To not be told what to do, but to simply understand what to do. That's the biggest difference. We want to be here to assist you in trading in the stock market and not necessarily telling you every step of the way. We have a very famous quote that we love to share, and it's, give a man a fish, he could eat for a day. Teach a man how to fish, and he can eat for a lifetime. And the amazing part about this is as you complete the Learn Plan Profit course, you're going to have access to our live trading session. And this is one of the great values that comes with being a part of the Learn Plan Profit community is the market is always changing, especially with recent markets. So what we do is by being able to host a daily live stream when the market's open, Monday through Friday at market open, you get to tune on in, you get to watch me trade live, and you get to see me take on the market. Because the market is always changing, it's always going to present new challenges. And as you're learning how to trade, you're going to have new questions. And what better way to answer them when in real time? So yes, you get to see me where I buy. You get to see me where I sell. You get to see me where I cut losses. But the whole idea of these live trading sessions are to have open-ended conversations where I share my thought process. Why is it that I'm buying? Or why is it that I'm waiting for confirmation? Or why is it that I cut losses because there's a break of pattern? These are new challenges that we are presented with every single day. And one of the things that at least I've learned myself is that I always learn better when I watch someone do it. And I think this is something that we both have in common. On top of that, with the live trading sessions, you get access to the Learn Plan Profit Discord chat. This gives you access to thousands of members, not only within the United States, but literally all over the world. Members using different brokerages outside of the US, inside of the US, within your local communities. We are one of the largest trading communities. And the really cool thing about this is that you get to network with these people. You get to build relationships. And because this isn't a free community, this only empowers our members to ensure that we provide a higher quality of information because everyone's gone through the Learn Plan Profit course. So therefore, the information being shared within the Learn Plan Profit Discord chat is even that much better. And it comes down to a simple question. Would you rather network with someone that just recently got access to a free group, or would you rather network with someone that's gone through a series of material and has a better understanding of what it is that they are doing? I'll leave that up to you. And one of the things that I want to share with you is I am one of the first people, I have to say this, is I am one of the first people that began to trade live every single day. And by being the first, I'm not trying to toot my own horn, but all I'm trying to share with you is because we were the first, we challenge ourselves to always be the first person to provide the newest form of value. We show up every single day. You have questions, you're going through the course, you need assistance, we are there every single day. It's not once a week, it's not once a month, it's not once a year. It is a live trading session every single day at Market Open. You get lifetime access to the course and you get lifetime access to the Discord chat. So anytime that you have questions, you simply ask, and I am there to assist you. And the reason that we do all this is because we know that the stock market does present new challenges, especially when you're just getting started. But one of the things that I want to remind you is, again, you don't need to be someone that needs to be convinced to learn how to trade. You need to want it. Because at the end of the day, nothing in life worth having will ever come easy. And trust me, at least in my experience, the stock market is no exception. So if you're ready to accept our stock market trading challenge, I'd be more than happy to assist you along the way. So again, I'm really excited to see what this overall year has to offer. And if tomorrow's a weekday, I'll see you tomorrow at Market Open. Make sure you click the link below to join the Learn Plan Profit team.